In Wrexham and across Wales, communities are rich in character, stories and potential. But many face inequalities, lack of support and uneven access to power and services. Together Creating Communities works hand in hand with local people to help bring voice, organisation and sustainable change. And we've done so for 30 years.
Since 1995, TCC has supported community groups and local people to organise for themselves, identify issues, build capacity and take action. In towns and villages, many feel forgotten, unheard or lacking the tools to influence change.
Through workshops, coaching, mentoring and connecting communities with decision makers, TCC strengthens the capacity of community groups and empowers leaders. We work across ages, backgrounds and interests, from local associations to grassroots campaigns.
As we look back over the last 30 years, I reflect on a history of success. In Wrexham, TCC played a key role in switching from incineration to recycling. We helped secure a homeless shelter. We supported community groups in pressing for fair pay, ensured funding for a Parkinson's nurse. Young people have launched campaigns. Groups have influenced local policy. For 3 decades, TCC has stood for hope, justice, and the power of people working together. We've seen what can happen when communities unite. Real change.
But the journey continues. There are many voices still unheard, problems still unresolved. TCC's vision is a network of strong, active communities across Wales. Communities with determination, resilience and direction. We are not experts telling people what to do. We are partners walking alongside, helping people lead their own journeys.
You can be part of this change. Volunteer your time, join or start a local group, donate, or simply share this story, spark conversation, connect with others who care. Every voice matters. Together, creating communities, enabling, strengthening, making change. Together, we grow stronger.